Hello everyone, this is Nisrin, and in this video I'm going to create a full stack web application using Lovable. All you need to do is search for lovable.dev and you are ready to start. So before I start, I need to make things clear. I am on the free plan. As you see here in the workspace, there is a label that says public. When I hover here, you see anyone can remix this project. This means copy and build on it. To stop remixing, upgrade to make it private. So all our projects on the free plan are public by default. I will show you an example to understand. So after you finish building your project, you click here publish and you have two links. This link you can preview your project. You see how your project will be in the full screen. We have another link, which is the publish site. So if you click here publish, your project will be public by default. So anyone can see it, anyone can remix in it. You click here publish. So the reason why our project is visible for everyone is because we are on the free plan. So if you click here, page speed analysis, you can see more details. We go here analytics. I see that my project got 4 visitors. To see more details, go to project settings. I see here that my project is set to public. So the only option I can make my projects private is to upgrade to the paid plan. For the moment, I prefer to stay on the free plan. I'm not going to upgrade. Here we go. So here I'm going to start giving the prompt to build the project, but first I'm going to copy a part from the description I wrote in the Google Docs document, and I'm going to modify it. Here we go, guys. This is the web application. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on the link of preview. So here I can see the full version of the app. Here we go. This is really amazing. I see that the style and the design is very creative and very modern. It has very beautiful colors. Cognitive training platform. Train your mind, master your skills. Develop essential cognitive abilities through scientifically designed exercises, from problem solving to memory enhancement. I see that there is animation. We have here 8 essential skills. This is really good and very motivational. I'm going to click here. I see that these buttons are not working. So we are going to solve and to continue the functionality of the application. So the first thing I noticed here that the buttons are not working. I'm going to go back to my conversation with Lovable and I'm going to tell the AI to finish the web app. Remember guys, as I told you, when you click here publish, your link will be visible and your link will be public and everyone can see it and remix in it. This is only on the free plan. If you upgrade it, you can set your project to private. So here I'm going to finish the rest of the web application. Here I am going to copy the rest. Paste the rest of the description here. Here we go. Here we go. After you finish, click here. So the AI is telling me here that since I need to store the user progress, points, levels, and achievements, create the user authentication, database storage, backend APIs. So here I'm going to click in the green Superbase button. Here we go and click here. I'm going to continue with GitHub. I'm going to click here, authorize Supabase. Keep this free plan and click here, create organization. After I created an organization, I'm going to click here, authorize Lovable. I'm going to click here, connect a project. This is the organization I created. It has no project for the moment, so I'm going to create a Supabase project. I'm going to give it the same name as the Lovable project. I'm going to type in a password. I'm going to choose this because it has the label recommended, and click here. Here we go, this is our Supabase project. I'm going to go here to Lovable documentation, and maybe I'm going to watch just one video or more in order to understand how to connect the Supabase project to the Lovable project, and to see if I forgot something. I'm going to go back here, click connect Supabase, here, my organization. I'm going to click here in the project I created in Supabase. We see here Supabase connected. I'm going to keep watching this video in case if I forgot something. I'm going to write a new prompt to Lovable. This is the prompt I'm going to give to Lovable. But first I am going to keep watching the video. In case if there is something new, I'm going to put it in this prompt because we are limited on this free plan. So here in Lovable documentation, I saw a video that explained how to connect Supabase project to Lovable project. I saw him did this prompt, please connect my Supabase project, and he did another prompt telling Lovable to add Supabase authentication so users can sign in into the app and the users can manage their profiles. I'm going to keep everything in just one prompt. I'm going to see if he did something new. After I wrote this prompt, I'm going to click. I'm going to click approve. Database changes, click approve. There we go, click approve. I see here authentication system implemented successfully. Users can now sign up, sign in, and manage their profiles with points, levels, and achievements tracking. There is one security warning about OTP expiry settings that you can configure Supabase dashboard under authentication settings for enhanced security. Here you see, as you see, I have 1.10 free credits remaining today. As I told you, I am on the free plan. I will try to sign in. I don't have an account, so I'm going to click here, sign up. I am going to try to create a new account. Nasrin. Email. I see here account created. Please check your email to confirm your account. I'm going to save my password. Here we go. I'm going to check my email. And I'm going to click confirm your email. I see here that this profile appeared here, so that means that I successfully created an account. I really like the design, the style, everything is super amazing. I see here my name, I see my email, I see the stats, I see that I am in level 1. I have 0 points, 0 achievements. Profile settings, I can change my profile name. I will try to write something. Here we go. For example, level 1. Save changes. Here we go, profile updated. So my profile has been successfully updated. So I see that Lovable did a really good job on the free plan. I only have 1.10 free credits remaining. The best practice I'm going to do, I'm going to explain the project to ChatGPT and what I exactly need. I'm going to copy the prompt here in Lovable. Here we go. So this is the prompt ChatGPT gave me. We have here 5 requirements. Keep the styling consistent with the rest of the app. Here we go. I like this prompt. I'm going to paste it here in Lovable. Here we go. He said, I will make the start training buttons functional with routing to individual training pages and authentication checks. He said all start training buttons are now fully functional with authentication protected routing to individual skill training pages. Here I see I have 0 free credits remaining today. You can test it from here, or you can test it from here. Preview, click here to test it. And when you publish your site, anyone can see your project, anyone can remix in it. So you cannot control this thing because you are on the free plan. If you upgrade it, you can make your project private or /hidden. Click here, preview, to see the app. Here we go. When I click here, it directed me to the sign in page or the sign up. If you don't have an account, create a new account. And as you remember, I already created a profile here with this email. So I'm going to try start training button if it is working or not. Try to refresh. Here we go. Start training. This is the page I see. I was on the free plan, so I was really limited. I created the user authentication. I was limited on this skills part. I couldn't create a lot of things. I couldn't create more details. Before I continue, let me quickly explain how the credits work on Lovable. On the free plan, you get 5 credits every month. When I started building this web application on August 30th, I have used up all my 5 credits. And my last prompt was not really specific, was not enough. And today is September 2nd, so Lovable refreshed my account with 5 new credits. I want to finish building this skills training page because my last prompt to Lovable was not detailed enough. So what I want to do is I explain to ChatGPT the problem I have. It gave me a new structured prompt. And I'm going to click here. I finished all my 5 credits of the last month, and today we are September 2nd. So Lovable refreshed my account with 5 new credits. I wanted to take this opportunity. I wanted to finish the skill training page. The link, here we go. This is, I'm going to sign in. Once I signed in, I'm going to view skills. Start training. It is not working. Refresh. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and explaining the main problem, which is when I click here, begin exercise 1, and this is not working. Paste it here. A timeout occurred. So just refresh from here. I see here fully functional training system implemented with exercises, scoring, progress tracking, and database integration for all 8 skills. I am signed in. I have my profile here. I'm going to try the skills, start training. Okay, I'm going to open the full screen. Here we go. This is a problem solving page. I see more details. I see develop analytical thinking and strategic reasoning abilities. I have here exercise 1 of 2, pattern recognition. This is the name of the exercise. So we have here the question and we have here the answers. What comes next in this sequence? 32, submit answer. Here we go, correct. Great job, you earned 10 points. We have here this message, correct, plus 10 points earned. Next exercise, we have here the name of the exercise, logic puzzle, submit answer. This is a correct answer. Here you see I have 20 points. Click training complete. Here we go. Again exercise. We have here only one exercise. What was the third number? Okay, correct. Complete training. To try this, geography, exercise, word capitals, correct. So you see here that we have a fully functional full stack web application, and I'm really proud that I built this web application using Lovable, using only the free plan. So this is really good. I see that the style, the colors, and the design is modern, and the colors are amazing. And we have here fully functional exercises, fully functional authentication system. We can here sign up, sign in, and sign out. This is really amazing. And you see here we have animation. So that's it for today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my other social media platforms. As you see that I'm doing something I truly enjoy and love doing. Take care.